It's Tea Tuesday. Look who's here. Debbie. Oh, yes.
I finally made an appearance.
It's been a few months, hasn't it?
Mm-hmm.
And look what time it is.
Tea time.
Tea time here in the garden. And
although we don't have any teacups.
Well, now this is why I'm doing this. Because, I thought she would notice, but I asked her, do you notice anything different? And she's still looking and she doesn't see it. This whole thing is new. Yes. I got 2 sets of dishes of these.
Oh, okay.
And one's big and one's small. So that means now I have 3 of these teapots.
I was going to say, you already had the teapot, though.
The teapot I have is for a child. This is a teapot for adults.
Oh, I see.
And I got all the plates. I have so much. I can't wait to share it with you guys. This is going to be, she's laughing, but she knows how hard this stuff is.
Yeah.
And you didn't get me the trays either.
No.
I have 2 trays now, 2 teapots.
Did you get this at that secondhand store?
It's a used set, you are correct, but I didn't buy it at a store. I bought it off a friend.
Oh, okay.
I have a friend, I remember Maria, I'm always talking about. We met her at that, you didn't meet her.
No, I
yet.
didn't meet her, but you've talked about her before.
Yeah, her sister had 2 sets of teapots, and for Alice in Wonderland, she has the whole set, so I bought it all off of her.
So she didn't want it anymore?
She wanted to give it to her grandchildren, and they didn't want it.
Oh.
She asked her daughter-in-laws, they didn't want it. And she was trying to clear out her house because she has so much. She bought them for her grandchildren.
Yeah.
I said, that's fine, I'll buy it.
Oh, wow.
But the whole complete sets. And we have a lot more to share, but you're going to have to come and watch for the finale that we're doing the last day of April. And I'm going to share with you this giant display. So I thought you'd notice. I guess.
No, I saw the pot, so I assume I knew you had a pot, but I didn't think about that it was smaller than this one.
And it's the one I have is for a child, and
Yeah.
it's exactly the same as this, but small. And I have this one, and I think another one in between, and I have 2 sugar bowls and 2 creamers, and won't that look beautiful every year for the finale?
Yeah.
And 2 trays.
Because you'll have a long table so you can set up.
And it came with the cups, the plates,
Wow.
everything. So I am super, super excited about this. And, and even these keys are not the ones you got. These keys are what she gave me.
Oh, okay.
So she had keys that went to the set too.
Oh.
She has everything.
Wow.
And so
fancy.
I just wanted to give you a little sneak peek at what's coming your way. So if you want to see everything, you better show up.
So hence, that's why there's no cups, because she didn't want to show it all off.
I just wanted you to see that we have the creamer, the sugar, and the tea. And oh my gosh, look at those trees. Well, what do you have to share? Anything, since I've shared everything already to this point?
Just, I've got a couple things that I'm working on.
And you better come back later in the week because she made some really nice things on another video you're going to have up.
Yeah.
So be ready for some beautiful displays. You know my daughter has to always do something
So I'm making some things for her grand finale, and then we'll show you like a sneak peek. They're not completely done.
But that's why sneak peek.
Yeah. And then once it's done, then I'll have the full video up of how I made it on the Blossom Your Creativity channel. But we'll just show you later in the week. I'll show you a sneak peek.
Yeah, we're going to have lots of things we're going to be sharing, huh? Well, that's what we did for Tea Tuesday this week. And keep coming back. Maybe I can talk my daughter into coming and doing a few more videos. But we're going to come over to your house and do a few too, so it's not going to be all
Yeah, and I've been kind of MIA. I went traveling, and then when I got back, I've just been exhausted. So I've been trying to rest up to start again, but I don't think that I'm going to
do as much
on Blossom Your Creativity. I'm not going to do as much because it's very time consuming to do crafts, but I love it. It's just very time consuming, and I want to spend more time with the family and going and doing things together.
Yeah, I've been pretty exhausted too. I had last weekend 2 general reveals in one weekend, Saturday and Sunday.
I was like, why one weekend?
And they're both having their babies at the same time. One's in August
and one's in September.
That's pretty close.
Yeah.
And I'm not going to tell you what they are because you got to watch the videos. I got one of.
You haven't put them up yet?
One of them I got up this morning, and the other one's going up late this afternoon.
Okay.
So you're going to find out if we're having a boy or a girl. But there's 2 of them, so there's 50-50 chance I could get one of each. You never know.
And then there was everyone was saying, okay, so are we? Is there more boys than girls? Is these 2 babies gonna change that dynamic? And so you have to wait and see.
Oh yeah, we're getting them by leaps and bounds now.
Well, she's getting leaps and bounds. My kids don't have any kids, so.
Well, you know what your problem was? You should have never told them to not have children.
It's my problem.
You should let them have them early. Now that they're older, I can't afford it now. When you're young, you don't think about money, right?
So my brothers are having all the babies, and their kids are having the grandbabies, and so,
isn't that funny?
Yeah, I'm the oldest. I have 3 kids and no grandbabies, and my brothers have a whole bunch of kids.
Well, the one good thing, you can adopt some of those children and great-grandchildren.
Not adopt, but I just say, can I be the, step-in grandparents or the favorite auntie or whatever you want to call me.
So we're going to say bye for now, but we'll see you guys next week for another Tea Tuesday, maybe?
Yeah, I think I can do one more Tea Tuesday.
I think you can, too.
Why, I'm still rusty now. It was nice seeing you guys, and come back next Tuesday and see what we're going to talk about, and maybe we'll talk about my trip.
Maybe we will.
Because, I got a surprise from my mom, and
I can't wait.
She hasn't seen it yet, and she's been, driving me crazy. When am I going to see my gifts? She's so excited, so I'm not revealing them until Tea Tuesday, so you can see her surprise when she gets to open them.
So you'll see him at the same time I see him. See you guys later.
Okay,
bye.
bye.